Around 70 memorandum of understandings, letter of intents and agreements had been exchanged and subsequently achieved by two countries, namely Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yes, we are talking about the fiscal year 2025 and 2026, which was determined and characterized by various memorandum of understandings and letter of extents achieved and signed between the leadership of both countries, particularly related to the brotherly and economic interests. Let's unfold our facts in this regard that what kind of development the Pakistanis need to expect in near future. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia had remained the biggest and the most attractive destination for the workforce and the skill force of Pakistan. If one probes in the estimations of the Pakistan wealth and the associated documents in the recent year, around 750,000 Pakistanis had chosen their work avenues in various parts of the world, and around 69 to 70%, which accounts more than 550,000 Pakistanis, solely chose their work venue as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia under the Gulf Cooperation Council. The upcoming development shall come in two main contexts. The first shall include the Saudi Arabia's vision of 2030, which requires an imminent deployment of nearly 300,000 to 400,000 trained workforce or skill force from Pakistan. And Pakistan most probably is going to ensure this deployment by year 2030. The second one and more notable is the fact that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is going to host the FIFA World Cup for year 2034, under which the logistics, the operations, the aviation and the tourism needs to be managed. In order to manage all of these services, the expert skill force or workforce needs to be procured from Pakistan once again, and greater are the chances that more than 1 million Pakistanis are going to facilitate and are going to fulfill all the operational needs of the FIFA World Cup of 2034 that is going to take place in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So finally, technical, vocational and training institutions had already been established to train the youth of Pakistan to become a skilled workforce for the needs of Saudi Arabia, and on the other hand, this would be another greater boom to the remittances of Pakistan, ultimately enhancing the Pakistan's strategic position in the international labor markets. Thank you.